Okay, this is a simple video about number sets. I'm going to start with the set n, which stands for the natural numbers, which are the counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's also called z positive, and you'll see why in a second. Because the next set of numbers is z are the integers. So the natural numbers are the positive integers. But integers are all whole numbers, including 0. So negative whole numbers, 0 and positive whole numbers. The next set we'll look at is the rational numbers, which is the letter Q. And rational numbers, rational ratio, are numbers that can be written as a ratio, as a fraction. So this includes all the whole numbers, like 2, but any fractions, whether they be negative or positive, whether they be improper fractions, whether they be written as decimals, but anything that could be written as a fraction is a rational number. Just a note, why is it the letter Q? Well, Q for quotient. So fraction, ratio, quotient, rational number. Why the letter Z? That comes from the German for Zahl, which is the German word for number. Okay, if we've not got rational numbers, then they're irrational numbers. Okay, these are numbers that can't be written as a fraction. They include things like pi and e and all the surds and simplified algebraic surds like this. Okay, so they're irrational numbers, can't be written as a fraction. Just by the way, pi and e are called transcendental numbers because they're non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. And finally, when you put that all together, you get the set of real numbers, which is any number that can be plotted on a number line, which is all the irrational, all the rational, all the integers, and all the natural numbers. This little diagram up the top isn't just a little pretty symbol. It's actually a Venn diagram showing you that the natural numbers are a subset of the integers, and the integers are a subset of the rational numbers, and rational numbers are a subset of the real numbers. For those of you doing high-level mathematics, you'll also encounter imaginary numbers, and when you combine real and imaginary numbers together, you get complex numbers. But for most of you, these are the sets of numbers that you'll have to deal with. Alright, hope that was helpful.